Starting around 31 walk 2024 Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $9,004 in term of its US rate with a value change of 22% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Brise for the most part has an especially complete market cap of $94,766,208 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,509.29. This fundamentally makes Bitgert Brise certainly positioning at 496 in the digital currency market, which generally is very critical. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert explicitly be extremely worth in 2024, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is Bitgert a kind of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024 in a very large manner? Will Brise cost really outperform its unsurpassed high? These explicitly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which really is very huge. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Brise cost by and large is supposed to generally cross a very normal value level of $1,035. The normal, exceptionally least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the really current year ought to, in a real sense, be $1,034 in an especially significant manner. Besides, Brise can fundamentally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $10,038, which by and large is very critical. Bitgert value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Bitgert especially is somewhat anticipated to reach at a for the most part least worth of $3 in walk 2024. The Brise cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a truly greatest worth of $26 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $5 all through 2024, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Brise value figure April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Bitgert in every practical sense is supposed to essentially arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $5, showing how Brise especially has a truly complete market cap of $94,766,208 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,529 in an unpretentious manner. The Brise cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $27 with the in every way that really matters, normal cost around $2026. Bitgert Brise value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Bitgert cost for the most part is estimate to in a real sense arrive at an all things considered, least cost of $8.26 in an especially significant manner. The Brise cost could in a real sense arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $10.28 with a truly normal expected cost around $27, showing how besides Brise can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $38, which really is very huge. Bitgert value expectation June 2024. The cost of Bitgert most certainly is anticipated to by and large reach at an exceptionally least worth of $9.27 in June 2024, which is very critical. The Brise cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $19 with the typical exchanging worth of $19 all through 2024 in an especially huge manner. Bitgert value figure July 2024. The fundamentally normal cost of Bitgert Brise could basically go to $1,000 toward the finish of July 2024. Brise could in every way that really matters be exchanging around and in every way that really matters greatest worth of $31 with a genuinely least expected cost of $9.28 amazingly. Bitgert value expectation August 2024. The cost of Bitgert is essentially anticipated to in every practical sense reach at the very least worth of $9.29 in August 2024. So Bitgert value estimate July 2024. The fundamentally normal cost of Bitgert Brise could truly go to $9.29 toward the finish of July 2024, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Brise cost could for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $9.32 with the very normal exchanging worth of $9.80 all through 2024. Demonstrating the way that the Brise cost could arrive at a very greatest worth of $9.26 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $2005 all through 2024 in a significant manner. Bitgert value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Bitgert for the most part is supposed to explicitly be at around an essentially least of $3, or so they truly thought. Bitgert cost can basically arrive at a limit of $33 with the extremely normal cost of $8.31 in an unpretentious way. Bitgert value expectation October 2024. The cost of Bitgert in every practical sense is somewhat anticipated to by and large reach at an essentially least worth of $31 in October 2024. The Brise cost could generally arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $34 with the very normal exchanging worth of $2 all through 2024. Bitgert value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Bitgert by and large is supposed to especially be at around a for the most part least of $3, or so they for the most part thought. Bitgert cost can really arrive at a fundamentally limit of $36 with the extremely normal cost of $34 in a for the most part huge manner. Bitgert value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the greatest cost for Bitgert could truly stretch around $38, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in December 2024 in a real sense is $34 with a for the most part normal cost of $35, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Bitgert especially passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been really diminished by 0.66% in its especially current worth, showing how these by and large are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Assuming we in a real sense look at the truly current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. From certainly most recent 7 days, the Brise truly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.78%. Further appearance how in every way that really matters is Bitgert a sort of wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024. Bitgert in every practical sense has shown exceptionally sought major areas of strength for recently, and this could be essentially great chance to dive right in and contribute, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitgert value conjecture 2024 facts what will truly be Bitgert especially worth in 2024, which basically is very huge. The Brise cost in a real sense is estimated to basically arrive at a greatest degree of $38 with essentially least cost of $34 toward the finish of 2024, showing the way that Bitgert cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a very limit of $36 with the exceptionally normal cost of $34 in USD, which most certainly is very critical. Does Bitgert truly have a future in a quite enormous manner? As far as value, Bitgert basically has a remarkable most certainly potential to arrive at new levels in an especially huge manner in a real sense. It is conjecture that Brise will increment in esteem in a very significant way. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, Bitgert can stir things up around town of the most exorbitant cost of